If your Etsy store is synced with Printful, here's how to set up free shipping for US buyers while still charging shipping for all other countries. First, go to the My Product page in Printful. Click on a product and toggle off the free shipping option on your Printful product. When you do this, Printful automatically generates a shipping profile that you'll see in Etsy. From Etsy's Shop Manager, click on Settings and then Shipping Profile. Here, you'll see the shipping charges for every country. Even though the United States shows a shipping price in the profile, all United States orders $35 and over will get free shipping as long as you turn on the free shipping guarantee in Etsy. You can disregard these yellow notices. At the top of the shipping profile on Etsy, click on Free Shipping Guarantee. This page is where you turn it on, and it explains how it works. Once you turn it on, you will see this. This makes any US order that is $35 or more ship for free. You can test that it is working by clicking one of your listings and using the shipping preview. So with the free shipping guarantee turned on, US buyers get free shipping, and all other countries pay their normal rates. Hope this helps, and stay creative.